मडगांव मार्केटान उजो लागपाच्यो घडणुको वाडत आसा आनी उजो नियंत्रणांत हाडपाक उदकाची सोय ना म्हणून दुकानदारांची कागाळ आशिल्ली। आतां मडगांवांत मार्केटान टाकी बांदपाक जागो पळोवपा खातीर बुधवारा आपतकालीन वेवस्थापन पंगडा वांगडा दक्षिण गोंयचो जिल्लो अधिकारी, मडगांव पालिकेचो मुख्य अधिकारी, DYSP आनी हेर अधिकाऱ्यांक घेवन जोड पळोवणी केली। तशेंच हेर मुद्द्याचेर ह्या जोड पळोवणेक चर्चा जाली।
Gandhi market, new market, that are one thing encroachment. After that, power department will do the police inspection of both the market. What was the sanction load, and that is after that. We have today there are two things. One is encroachment in the market. Second is parking. Whether parking areas on the both side road is there or so that we can do the next action. Third is main to identify the area for water tank. Now, ujo laglo jaल्यार उदक आसपाक जाय मेन. So presently there is no water tank. So as per the water department, the PWD water supply, they say one tank is enough. So the purpose of this is also to identify that this pickup stand which is already acquired by DCP department. So this is a suitable. Now government has to take decision. We cannot take decision. So we can recommend it.